If you've ever struggled with bloating, gas, indigestion, or unexplained fatigue, your gut might be crying out for help. The gut is often called the second brain because it plays a crucial role in overall health, affecting everything from digestion and immunity to mood and energy levels. When your gut is out of balance, it can lead to chronic inflammation, food sensitivities, and even serious health issues. The good news: you don't need expensive supplements or extreme diets to restore your gut health. With the right natural remedies, you can heal your digestive system, absorb nutrients more effectively, and feel better fast. Here are 5 simple yet powerful ways to naturally heal your gut and improve digestion. One of the most effective ways to restore gut health is by eating more fermented foods. These foods, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso, are packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help balance your gut microbiome. A healthy gut thrives on a diverse range of bacteria, and when you consume fermented foods regularly, you introduce more of these good microbes, improving digestion and reducing issues like bloating and constipation. Unlike probiotic supplements, fermented foods also contain enzymes and vitamins that support overall digestive health. If you've been experiencing frequent stomach discomfort, adding a small serving of fermented foods to your daily diet could make a huge difference. Another powerful way to heal your gut naturally is to increase your fiber intake. Fiber acts as food for your gut bacteria, helping them flourish and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Foods like leafy greens, flax seeds, chia seeds, beans, and whole grains provide both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aid in digestion, regulate bowel movements, and prevent bloating. Many people don't realize that low fiber intake is a major cause of digestive issues, leading to sluggish digestion and an unhealthy gut environment. By simply adding more fiber-rich foods to your meals, you can support gut healing and improve your overall digestion. If your digestion feels sluggish or you frequently suffer from acid reflux, drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning can help reset your gut and kickstart digestion. Lemon water stimulates stomach acid production, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients efficiently. Many people struggle with low stomach acid, which can lead to bloating, indigestion, and nutrient deficiencies. Sipping on warm lemon water before breakfast helps cleanse your digestive tract, flush out toxins, and prepare your gut for the day. If plain lemon water feels too acidic, try adding a pinch of sea salt or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for extra digestive support. Another key to gut healing is reducing stress and practicing mindful eating. Stress is one of the biggest disruptors of gut health, leading to inflammation, poor digestion, and an imbalance of gut bacteria. When you eat in a stress state, your body produces less digestive enzymes, making it harder to break down food properly. To improve digestion, try eating in a relaxed environment, chewing your food slowly, and avoiding distractions like screens or work. Simple practices like deep breathing before meals or taking a short walk after eating can significantly boost gut function. Lowering stress through meditation, yoga, or even laughter can also help restore gut balance and improve digestion naturally. The final and perhaps most overlooked way to heal your gut naturally is staying hydrated and supporting your gut lining with bone broth. Water is essential for proper digestion, helping food move smoothly through your intestines and preventing constipation. But beyond hydration, bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that help repair the gut lining, reducing inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. If you've been dealing with leaky gut, food sensitivities, or frequent digestive discomfort, drinking a cup of bone broth daily can provide soothing relief and speed up the healing process. You can also boost gut health by including herbal teas like ginger, peppermint, or chamomile, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties and aid digestion. Healing your gut doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these simple, natural remedies into your daily routine, you can restore balance to your digestive system, reduce bloating, and feel better fast. A healthy gut leads to better energy, clearer skin, a stronger immune system, and even improved mental clarity. Don't wait until digestive issues take over your life. Start taking care of your gut today, and your entire body will thank you.